Hey guys, Halloween Express here. This raven is a great accessory to your Halloween decor. The sound of howling winds blows as the lone raven calls through the dark. This animated raven has glowing red eyes and turns his head when activated by motion. The detail on this prop is amazing and the perfect prop for your party decor. The bird requires 3 AA batteries and has continuous on or motion sensor. For more information about the animated raven, please visit your nearest Halloween Express or go online at halloweenexpress.com and have it shipped to your door today.